Welcome to Pathway Pearls, a journey into the heart of the universe's mysteries. Picture this. The universe, a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, operates under a set of unbreakable rules, known as universal laws or principles. These laws are always in motion, regardless of where you are or what you're doing. Some of these laws govern the tangible physical world, while others delve into the realms of the quantum and the spiritual. Think of these spiritual laws as constants, just as reliable as the laws of physics, influencing every aspect of our existence on Earth. For millennia, ancient mystics, sages, and philosophers have not only been aware of these laws, but have also deeply discussed them. Yet, in our modern world, the majority remain largely in the dark about these potent truths. These spiritual laws, ancient and profound, have been passed down through the corridors of time, from one generation of wise teachers to the next. However, they have not yet penetrated the collective consciousness of our society. One of these laws stands out for its power to transform. The principle that what you sow, you shall reap. This law is not just a spiritual concept, but is also reflected in many religious scriptures across the world. It implies that every action, thought, and intention is akin to planting a seed, which carries an energy, an invisible force that seeks to return to us in kind. It's like a boomerang effect. What you send out into the universe eventually comes back to you. The inspirational speaker Steve Maraboli captured the essence of this law when he said, "Plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to you in abundance." This is the law of nature. Now, imagine your life as a fertile field, ripe for cultivation. In this metaphor, your mind represents the rich, fertile soil. The thoughts you nurture are the seeds you choose to plant. Your actions are like the water and nutrients that nourish these seeds, and your emotions are akin to the sunlight that encourages them to grow. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, you're setting yourself up for a harvest of despair and misfortune. Conversely, if you choose to plant seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, you will see your life blossom with beauty, joy, and prosperity. The universe acts as an impartial farmer, responding to the type of seeds you sow, faithfully yielding the fruits of your mental and emotional labor. But why do so many of us struggle to manifest the life we yearn for? It often boils down to our focus on what we don't want, rather than what we do. There's a powerful saying, "Energy flows where attention goes." This concept is deeply rooted in the understanding that everything in the universe is made up of energy, and similar energies attract each other. When you constantly dwell on negative aspects or the things you lack, you inadvertently attract more of the same into your life. Your attention and energy, thus, are directed towards what you least desire, entrapping you in a cycle of attracting undesirable situations and events. This interplay between thought and reality is not just philosophical, but is also supported by scientific research in the field of quantum physics. The famous double-slit experiment, for example, shows that our conscious observation can influence the outcome of an event and, in a broader sense, shape the very fabric of reality. So, how do we use this principle to our advantage? Begin by identifying what you truly want to achieve in life. Take a piece of paper and write down your goal, being as specific and detailed as possible. This act of writing not only clarifies your intention, but also brings a sharp focus to your goal. Next, engage in visualization. Close your eyes and picture yourself having already achieved your goal. Visualize the setting, the people around you, and most importantly, the feelings of joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment that accompany your success. This exercise is not just about daydreaming. It's about creating a mental and emotional blueprint for your future. Remember, though, that mere visualization is not enough. You need to bridge the gap between your dreams and reality through action. This means breaking down your goal into smaller, achievable steps. These steps might include practical tasks like networking, researching, or developing new skills. It's crucial to remember that consistent, purposeful action is the key to manifesting your dreams into reality. In this journey, trust is your compass. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and that your time to shine is on the horizon. Plant seeds of expectation and anticipation in your mind. Foster thoughts of achievement and success. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and weaknesses. Remember, the seeds you plant in your mind can grow into either a garden of abundance or a wasteland of scarcity. It's your choice. Use your words to uplift and inspire both others and yourself. Let your speech be a lighthouse of hope, guiding and illuminating the path towards your aspirations. And so, if you're still here, listening and reflecting, you're on the right path. You've shown a commitment to understanding these profound spiritual laws and applying them in your life. These laws, when understood and utilized correctly, can guide you towards a life of fulfillment and joy. I encourage you to share your thoughts, spread this message, and help others discover these truths. Together, let's plant seeds of kindness, empathy, and understanding in the garden of our collective consciousness. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Pathway Pearls. May your day be filled with the wonder of discovery and the joy of growth under the guiding light of the universe's timeless wisdom.